Want to disconnect your Google account from Mobile Legends on your Android phone? If you link the wrong account or you want to switch to a different login, here's how you can do it. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your Android. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap Account. Here you'll see several binding options. Tap the Account Center on the right side of the screen. After that, tap Disconnect Third-Party Account. Now tap on Google Account. From here, tap on Disconnect via Connected Account. Tap OK. Wait a bit for things to load. And that's it. That's how you disconnect your Google account from Mobile Legends on Android. Now, Google may be disconnected, but make sure your MLBB account is already linked to at least one other platform before disconnecting Google. If not, you may lose the account. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick MLBB tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.